Dr. Nazia. I am a dentist and currently I am working in Bahrain. Today I am going to tell you how to take care of your teeth. The first and important thing is brushing. We have to brush at least twice in a day, in the morning time and before going bed. It is important to brush before going bed because if you are not brushing, there will be food debris in between the tooth the whole night time. That will lead to more cavities. So it is very important to do brushing before going bed. And we have to brush at least 2 minutes. No need to brush for 4-5 minutes like that. You have to brush at least 2 to 3 minutes. That is enough. Next thing, flossing. The flossing is also very important like brushing because with the brushing we are not able to remove the complete food debris. Some materials remain untouched with the brush. If you remove that thing, we have to use floss. The floss helps to remove the food debris that remaining between the tooth. That is also very important. The third is the use of antimicrobial mouth washes or mouth rinses. These mouth rinses or mouth washes helps to reduce the microbial loads. That will also help to reduce that cavity. And the next thing, the healthy diet. Healthy diet means we have to drink milk and yogurt like things which are rich in calcium. This calcium is very helpful for that healthy tooth. And next we have to use vegetables, fruits like things which are rich in vitamins. They are also helpful for that tooth health. And the next thing, we have to reduce the number of tea, coffee like things. They are one of the reason for tooth staining other than smoking. Smoking is the main cause for the tooth staining. Other than the smoking, this tea, coffee like thing leads to tooth staining. And you have to reduce that intake of carbonated drinks. This carbonated drinks will weak your tooth enamel and that will make your tooth more prone to cavities. And the next thing, you have to reduce that sugar food. You have to reduce that quantity of sugar because if you are using that sticky food materials like chocolate, candies like, they will stick into your tooth and the bacteria will act on these materials and they will produce acids. This acid will leads to the cavities. They will lead to more cavities and demineralization like that. So you have to reduce the number of carbonated drinks. Next thing, you have to use the fluoride toothpaste, fluoride containing toothpaste. This fluoride containing toothpaste will make your tooth more healthy and they will lead to less prone for the cavities. So you have to use the fluoride containing toothpaste. And that smoking and smokeless tobacco like things you have to avoid. Never use such thing. That will lead to periodontitis. That means the gum disease, or it may lead to severe conditions like oral cancer. So never use any smoking or smokeless tobacco like this. Next thing, these are mainly for that children who are participating in sports activities. They can use the mouth guards or helmets to protect their teeth. So it is better to avoid injuries. It is better to use mouth guard or helmet like things. The other thing, along with all these things, you have to consult your dentist at least once in a 6 months because they can identify is there a new cavity is there, you have to do filling or any other problem, and if there is any malalignment they will inform you to consult an orthodontist for the braces. So at least once in a 6 months you have to consult your dentist. Thank you.